Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to restore your Google Chrome tab. For example, sometimes misunderstanding or mistakesly or by mistakenly you close your Google Chrome tab and number of tabs are open on here like that way. So how to restore those tabs with the help of one tips and tricks. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now I'm closing this Google Chrome tab. So suddenly all tab are closed in my laptop screen. All tab are closed and now I open the Google Chrome and then type Command Shift and T. So all tab are automatically open. You are using in a Windows operating system, you can press Ctrl Shift and T. Simultaneously 3 digits are pressing what a single time, like in a Mac operating system like this. How to restore Google tab? And just look at this here, some options are there. Ctrl Shift T in your Windows operating system or PC, or you are using a Mac operating system, so Command Shift T and restore your device. And one more trick, suppose I'm closing this tab, so how to open this one also? Command Shift and T. So this tab is open. How many tab I'm using on that particular Google Chrome in morning to till date? So Command Shift T. So all tab are automatically open. I'm using those tabs, so those tabs are automatically open. How many tabs I am accessing to morning to till now? All tab is open. It's amazing tips and tricks for the researcher or any kind of users. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.